Hi, I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute. Today is Friday, May 1st, 2020. It's May Day, and I'm wearing flowers in my hair in honor of May Day. The past 7 days, we've seen the Maryland real estate market remain active. Buyers are out buying and sellers are still listing and selling their houses. In fact, since last Friday's report, 722 new properties will be coming soon. 1,593 have been listed as active. 682 went under contract, 1,144 are pending to go to settlement, and 1,875 have successfully closed. If you caught my blog post from yesterday, you'll notice that the impact the real estate industry has on the GDP is significant. One house nationwide equates to about $88,416,000 in revenue to the economy. In Maryland, it's actually higher. It equates to $97,000 to the Maryland state economy. Yesterday, the interest rate dropped to the lowest it's been historically. That means buyers can now afford more house. On average, that means $30,000 more. That could be significant in many price ranges. And because we are still seeing a shortage of inventory, that means there are less homes for buyers to choose, so prices of homes continue to remain stable or tick up. So what does that mean for you if you're buying, selling, or renting in Maryland? Well, you need to have the information based on Maryland. That's what we're here for, to give you good information to make intelligent, informed decisions, because what you do today affects your wealth tomorrow. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Today is Friday, May 1st, 2020. Have a super weekend.